Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable always on display on Vivo Y28. To enable always on display, which is not natively supported by your phone, you need to download an app. This app is named Movies Edge and you can find it on Play Store, so let's do it. Go to Play Store, then search for Movies Edge. Then install this app with a triangle on it. And after a while, you can open the app. Then click on Draw over Apps. And from this list here, find Movies Edge. Then enable it. Then go back twice, and now you're in app. You can click on AOD, which means always on display, and you can select your always on display screen. These ones with a star are for premium users, so I'm gonna use just a free wallpaper, maybe this one. You can edit it by clicking on edit. You can go to backgrounds, music controls, notifications, calendar and battery to change the settings of it. For example, I'm gonna go to music controls and let's click on Movies Edge and allow it. So it will be allowed to use the music controls. Then I'm gonna click on apply, and now whenever I go back to my home screen, when I lock my phone, you will see the always on display screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.